Sometimes the smallest moments carry the biggest lessons. Sometimes a simple act from an ordinary person can change everything. Today's story is not about religion. It's about courage, kindness, and the power of giving even when you feel you have too little. This is the story of a young boy who discovered that small things can create a very big impact. The afternoon sun hung low over the hillside. A large crowd sat quietly, tired, hungry. Among them was a young boy. He held a small cloth bundle, his lunch, 5 barley loaves, 2 small fish, nothing special, just a simple meal, but packed by his mother with love and a message she always whispered: even small things matter when your heart is big. He didn't know how true those words would become that day. People had come from everywhere to listen to a traveling teacher, a man known for kindness and compassion. But evening was approaching. The crowd was restless, and there was no food left. The disciples whispered among themselves, "Everyone is hungry. We don't have enough." What difference can a little make in a crowd this big? The boy heard their worries. He looked at his lunch. 5 loaves, 2 fish. Barely enough for one family. He felt small. He felt unsure. But inside him, a quiet voice repeated, "Even small things matter when your heart is big." So he stepped forward. His hands trembled. His heart raced. One of the disciples looked at him. "This for thousands?" he asked softly. The boy swallowed hard. "It's not much, but you can take it." The teacher turned. He looked at the boy with warm, grateful eyes, eyes that didn't see too little, eyes that saw courage. He accepted the small offering, and then something extraordinary began to happen. The food was shared. A basket went out, then another, and another, to the first row, the second, the third, and somehow the food didn't stop. People stared in amazement. Everyone ate. Everyone had enough. Relief replaced worry. Hope replaced hunger. When it was over, there were baskets of food left. But the real miracle that day was not the bread, not the fish. The miracle was the boy. A boy who refused to believe that his little didn't matter. A boy who didn't wait for the perfect moment. A boy who offered what he had and changed everything. We often wait for the perfect time, the perfect resources, or the perfect opportunity. But greatness rarely begins with perfection. It begins with a small step, a little courage, a willing heart. You may feel your abilities are small. Your voice is small. Your chances are small. But remember this: small does not mean weak. Small does not mean unimportant. Your little effort today might be the spark that lights up someone's entire world. So offer what you have. Start where you are, and trust that even the smallest act can create a miracle, just like the boy with 5 loaves and 2 fish. If this story touched your heart, then don't keep it to yourself. Like it, share it with someone who might need a little hope today. And if you want more stories that whisper to the soul, then do subscribe. Your support means more than you know.